Hi guys, so we are gonna install this peel and stick vinyl tiling over existing vinyl. So what we're gonna do is, and you all need to do is, clean up the area thoroughly, move the things out, freezer, fridge, whatever you have. And after that you need to make sure that your starting point is good. Most of the videos you watch, it will tell you to start somewhere from the center, any center, and keep coming towards the side. In our case, we notice that we have a good edge here, so we are gonna to start from this side and we will keep going all the way in the back. One tip, because we are doing it over existing tiles, so what we need to do is, over here you can use a screwdriver and just pry it up just a little so that you can actually move your tile underneath. So this is easy enough, so you can go like this throughout and stick this tile underneath when you're installing it. So that's the first part, and as we go probably we'll make other video clips. Alright, this is we have done so far. As you can see, this is coming along quite fine. As I told you in the last video, or last part of this video, that you need to make sure that you lift it up a little bit and put it underneath. Once it is that way, you just keep coming and keep going this way. So when you put the new tile here, so you need to make sure, with the tile here, you need to make sure that you align it quite well alongside the corners. And as you can see this pattern, so sometimes this will align perfectly this way, or sometimes you have to rotate it and make sure to see which one aligns better. I mean, this is not really important, but if you want to be more critical, you can do this. Otherwise, you just keep going with the pattern and it should align itself. The only problem will be at the edges. In the end, that's not a problem. It's just, you need to be careful how you cut the tile. That will be in the next videos. So this flooring is coming up nice, as you can see all around. The only other tip I want to add is that how to put it under the stuff. So like this is a dishwasher. So what I did, this was a leg, it was sitting on it. I put a screwdriver underneath and then I unscrewed this. Once you unscrew that, it will give you a lift so that you can insert this tile under it. Of course you need to measure it, so you need to measure it all the way from there to here, that how much it is. In my case it was just 5.5 millimeter. So that's how I measured it and I put it underneath. I'm doing it, so the same step I have to do it. This is my cut piece, this will go underneath, but for that I need to raise this one as well. I'm done all the way up to here, and I will keep going, and I'm done all the way up to there too. So I just need to fill this thing up and it should be all set. So the way to do it, I'm using this screwdriver. You put it underneath, like this, raise it up and use a ruler, to go underneath to measure like this, to see how much you need. So mark it and then bring it back to the tile like this. This is what I did. Put it here, mark, for example, 5.5 mm here. From this distance, mark it here, and in the end make a straight line all the way through, and then use any kind of cutter or utility knife. You can use scissors too. This is not too strong, so you cut it all the way down. So this is how you cut, and keep putting them underneath. That's all.